Hey, this is Nick and welcome to Borsellino Carpentry. So I got a comment from Ziv on my video about can you keep unemployment with part-time work. I'll put a card for that right here and a link to that in the description. So I had been trying to figure out this whole thing about unemployment with somebody had asked me another question about if they could take a part-time gig or like a one-off thing, if they would took that one thing and then would they lose all their unemployment. And so I answered that in that video. But then so Ziv and I actually, he left me some messages. We messaged back and forth. I gave him my email address. We ended up talking on the phone, which was cool. So hi Ziv. And basically he had talked to a lawyer through Rocket Lawyer, which is a website, and you can go on there and talk to lawyers. And this lawyer had told him basically that that is an old rule based on W-2s. So if you're getting a W-2, then the $504, which is in New York State, the amount that if you go over $504, you lose your unemployment, then you'd lose the PUA bonus. So he's saying that's only for W-2s, because like in my case, I don't get a W-2. I get a check from a customer, comes to me, and so when I look at that $504, I go, okay, what about all those business expenses? If I work for a week and I make $505, that $505 is not my paycheck. I have the truck to pay for, and the gas in the truck, and business insurance, and tools, and all these other things for the business that leaves me with a very small number. So for $504, if I got $505, it would, I thought, cancel me out. And he's saying that it doesn't work that way, and it's very hard. This is why they haven't probably extended this to self-employed people in the past, because it's incredibly tricky to figure out. But so what he's saying is in my situation, technically, legally, according to this lawyer, that I could, in theory, work, collect a paycheck, and collect this unemployment, because technically I'm not getting paid, my business is getting paid, and then I could pay myself whatever from the business. So I'm not planning on, doing that. And I could, let's say I worked 1 week and I got $1,000 and I decided to pay myself $500, which is under that 504 limit. In theory, because I'm $4 under, I would get, I think, a maximum of $4 for unemployment, and then the $600 bonus, so $604. At least that's how I'm interpreting this. Again, there's no real solid information. I've been trying to find it. If you have any solid information and you could pass it on to me, I would love to hear it. All right, if you're getting anything of value out of this video right now, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. I did reach out to rocketlawyer.com. You can set up a free account for, I think it's 7 days, and you can send them a message and stuff. And so I was trying to get them on the phone, but you have to pay to do that. And I was just trying to get some information about this. So I did send them a message, and I have not heard back. That was on Friday. So I really had high hopes that I was going to hear back, but it was a weekend. So it hasn't been a full business day yet. If I don't hear back by the end of the day today, I would consider that a full business day. And I'm not sure. They said they get back to people within 24 hours. So I don't know. I wish I could say like, yeah, Rocket Lawyer is awesome, because Ziv told me that Rocket Lawyer was awesome to him, and he got in contact with this lawyer, and it was great. Gave him all this information, and so I'm really interested to hear back from them. But from what he was telling me, they told him was that because I'm self-employed and not getting a W-2, and it's not a normal, I'm not working for somebody, which is a W-9, I think, then I'm falling into a totally different category and I can still work part-time or whatever and collect this unemployment thing. Again, I couldn't do that just for the fear that it could backlash against me. I'm not recommending that anybody do that. As I've said in all my other videos, I'm not an accountant or a lawyer or whatever. I'm just a contractor guy trying to figure this out like the rest of you are. If I hear back from Rocket Lawyer, I'll make another video. And like I said, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you have any questions or answers for this. So that's it. I will see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff. See ya.